Another Copart drop off. Got a Honda and a Scion XB. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube's Mr. Hadnot checking in with you. We got two cars in from Fort Worth Copart. This is an 04 Scion XB. In the last couple episodes, we did a 06 Scion XB, same color. Okay, I just called. Let's just check this out. See what we're working with. Let's start with the under the hood. This one has a bar here, aftermarket, and now peeked in the back. It's aftermarket headers. Okay, and it sounds real good. Run like a champ.
Right.
All right.
And there's aftermarket tailpipes.
Muffler, aftermarket muffler underneath. I'll rev it up in a little bit. It's dirty inside, but that's nothing. Tinted windows. Got damage here. I'll probably go to junkyard and pull steering wheel. Put another steering wheel on there, or I might just put a Scion cover on there. This right here is missing. I pulled one from one out of the junkyard in Denison, Texas. Let's check out the back. Everything looks pretty good. I'll do the same treatment as I did with the other one. Aftermarket tail lights.
Painted.
There's a wheel lock on here. I'm not sure how to get that off. I'm gonna have to YouTube that or Google it. If not, I'll probably just take something to cut it off and then peel it back and pull that out. This is the damage in the front. Fender, hood, bumper. I'll put a BV grill in it, or I might paint this. And this right here is all pushed down. I'm not really concerned about that, but I might just go ahead and put another crash bar. But so far, I've been having it running for about an hour. It runs like a champ. And Hadnotandsonsusa, we get the job done.